Good morning, AHS. Thanks for tuning in to Tiger TV Daily. I'm Malia Holstake.
And I'm Bernard Thomas. Let's go check out today's announcements.
Make a stop at Auburn High School's Spirit Shop, where you can purchase a white comfort color or a light blue ribbed sweatshirt for only $50. Pre-orders are being accepted through Friday, November 8th. Orders can be picked up in the Media Center.
Auburn High School is celebrating the Alabama College Application Campaign.
Monday, November 4th, teachers represented their college. Tuesday, November 5th, Dress for Success, Future Career.
Dress for success, future career.
Wednesday, November 6th, Jersey Day. Represent your favorite college team.
Wednesday is Jersey Day.
Thursday, November 7th, the future is bright. Wear neon colors.
On Thursday, wear neon colors.
Friday, November 8th, big reveal. Represent your intended college.
Friday, November 8th, big reveal.
The annual Powder Puff Game will be held on Thursday, November 7th at 6:30 p.m. at the Duck Sanford Stadium. Admission will be $1 or a non-perishable food item at the gate. Proceeds will be donated to the East Alabama Food Bank.
AHS faculty, purchase your Fearless Leader shirts from my school bucks today. All funds go to the AHS Design Club.
Theater Auburn High School will present Clue on stage based on the Paramount film and the classic Hasbro board game. Tickets are $10 and may be purchased from any cast member or in the AHS Theater lobby before each performance. Performance dates are Friday through Saturday, November 8th through 9th at 6:30 p.m. and Sunday, November 10th at 2:30 p.m.
Attention seniors, Auburn High School presents a FAFSA, Free Application Federal Student Aid Workshop. November 7th, 6 o'clock through 7:30 p.m. Auburn High School Computer Labs, 1323 and 1325. This is a hands-on workshop. Here are a couple of things you need to bring. Social Security numbers and or driver's license numbers, parent and student 2018 federal income tax and or W-2 form, federal student aid ID, and password. Did you know some schools won't even consider you for merit scholarships until you've submitted a FAFSA? So complete one even if you don't think you'll qualify. See you there.
Boys wrestling is just starting up, and you still have time to come support our Auburn High School Tigers with the boys in their takedown for the fall season. For more information, go to the Auburn High School Athletics page, where schedules, rosters, and more can be found. Watch us go state-bound again.
That was pretty cool.
It really was. School can be overwhelming, and sometimes you need a little help and more time to get it all done. The After School Success Program is available for anyone who needs help or just needs more time. Please send any announcements you wish to be aired at least 48 hours in advance to ahsmassmedia3126@gmail.com.
Have an awesome day, and remember, roar Tigers.